What is up, guys? Welcome back to G's RC Garage. In this video, I'm going to show you how I do my little after run cleanup on my Revo 3.0. In the previous video, took her down to the loop and did some playing down in the dirt, and she is super dirty. Sorry, it is a little dark out here, but as you guys can see here, so what I usually do, I'll use this muck off drivetrain cleaner. This is actually for bicycles. Works freaking great. Also this muck off cleaner I'll just basically use on everywhere else. So let's get into it. So when you're washing your truck here, you want to avoid some kind of critical areas. You don't obviously be spraying, directly into your air filter. You don't want to be spraying like kind of down into your glow plug. All these like open ports in your electronics, your starter motor there. So what I'll usually do is just a very light misting, kind of just go over everything just to make sure it's kind of nice and wet. It's okay if you get a little water on stuff, it's not gonna hurt anything. Take the drivetrain cleaner. So this is actually a degreaser. It'll basically get all the grime and stuff. So anywhere there's like oil, gasoline, around your exhaust, the fuel tank, down by like your motor here, I'll go ahead and put a little bit of that on there. Everything else, I'll take the pink stuff here, just give it a nice little spray down. Oh, right up here. What's going on? Help get a little low in the soap department. All good though, all good. Get the other side. Oh. Side of the wheels. From there, I'll take this brush here. This is the one for like doing like the chains and stuff. Get wet, put a little soap on there. And then you can go ahead and just give it a little scrub-a-dub. And that stuff will just melt right off. Nice, look at that. Brand new. So pretty much the main things I'll do with this one is just like around the exhaust here, the fuel tank, and like the header, around the shock. Sometimes like oil and stuff will spray from there, but I'm not really too worried about that. I'll take this big soft brush here, get her wet, put some soap on there too, give her a wipe down and everything, make her look nice and fresh. I'm out here trying to do this one-handed, so not the easiest, but get her done. And then once you get her all nice and soaped up, all you're gonna want to do is stick your hose, and same thing as you did before, just very gently try and wash all the soap and muck off there. You should just see it wash right off. Look at that gas tank, fresh. Inside the wheels, fuel tank, on the back here. Beautiful. All right, upside down, let the water drain out. My body. The inside. Sweet. That's that step done. Next up, we'll move you guys into the garage for the next part. Back in the garage. So the next step you're going to want to do is use some kind of air to basically just blow her off. If you don't have an air compressor, you can use one of these little guns here. You can get these on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below for this one, but they're super powerful. You can basically just blow all the crap off into your truck here. Make sure everything's nice and dry. So that's one option. If you do have access to the air compressor, this is obviously the way to go. You can just freaking blast it. Be careful not to just full power blast everything. Just want to be kind of careful with it. Give it a little blast here and there. Make sure. stand back on my boom. Come on, stay there we go. Go ahead, turn it upside down, get the bottom. All that crap. It's actually kind of good I went driving in the dirt, because after the break-in I had oil kind of everywhere, so the dust kind of just sticks to all the dirt and makes it actually a bit easier to clean off. Last step you're gonna want to do is basically just clean the air filter, and she should be ready for another rip. Hope you guys just like this quick little video here on how to do a little after run maintenance on your Revo 3.3. There's still a bit more if you want to get into like actually how to do the engine after run procedure. We can get into that in a later video if you guys would like. Leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you guys in the next one. Peace.